No, I can't do it.
Meep, 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 meep.
Yeah, it really happened. Jokes aside, I just actually wanted to test if I am a good actor. Did you like it? Well, I don't know. Just let me know. Because who knows, maybe in the future I will need to do a dramatic video, an emotional one. Because as I analyzed some videos on YouTube, I found out that drama and emotions being said on videos really get you a lot of views. Last day I saw like a YouTuber. She published a video in which she was only crying. The whole video she was only, I'm not saying that she made it up or she is faking it, but the full video was just her crying. I didn't understand what she was talking about, and guess what? She got on that video more than 5 times the average views she gets on her normal videos. It's so funny, so maybe I will do it. I think that as human beings we are kind, we want to support others, so please, I can cry too, support me. Smash the like button, smash it and subscribe. I lost my Shopify store, please. I don't know what to do now. My life is messed up. Please, subscribe, make me a millionaire fast. What's up everyone, it's your boy Joe back with another video. Welcome to this YouTube channel, Joe Becoming a Millionaire, the best YouTube channel in which you can see by yourself the struggles and the successes of someone trying to become financially free. If you are new here, subscribe. So jokes aside, even if I'm being like a dork in this video at the beginning, that doesn't mean that it is not a serious matter. It is really important to watch this video and understand everything I am about to say, because what happened to me could happen to anyone, especially beginners in dropshipping. I didn't see it coming, so I am 100% sure other people won't see it coming. Last day actually I got this email. This means that in my store I was infringing someone else's copyright or trademark. This basically means that I wasn't authorized to sell that product, and I will not show the product because I don't want someone else to go and try it. And actually, because my whole store was only around that product, I had like a one product store. The whole store is messed up because even the name of this store was around that product. Everything was around the product, so I cannot use that store anymore, so the store is shut down. Basically what happened is that I was selling someone else's products without their permission. Fortunately, I didn't lose any money because, as I said, I was doing dropshipping, which means I had to wait until I have the order to go and order it from someone else and send it directly to the client. But in some cases you have to be really careful. Some people, or me included, many times wanted to like buy stock of the product, move it to somewhere, put it in a warehouse and start selling it. Imagine if I bought like a lot of the products and move it, and then I got that copyright infringement claim, so I would like lose a lot of money. So if you are trying to do dropshipping, if you want to do like Amazon FBA, before you start selling the products or before you even start talking to suppliers, go and do a trademark verification. This is a really big mistake I made because I didn't verify 100% about the trademark of the product. So I want to save you time and money before you start a dropshipping business, or before you start like an FBA Amazon business and buy products in big quantities. go and do a verification of the trademark of the products. There are actually many ways to do a trademark verification, but I am not attorney, I am not a professional. I can just tell you that you can, for example, go to Google Patents and look for the products there, take like a keyword and search on Google Patent to see if the product is under certain patent. If you are in US, you can use a website called uspto.gov, but if you are in international markets, use Google Patents. And if you cannot find it on both websites, that doesn't mean that products you are trying to sell is not under any patents. You have to keep going and keep searching with other keywords. For example, you can just go and put keyword on Google and add to its patents and see what the results that will come to you. But in general, if you are going to invest a lot of money, if you want to buy the products in like a big quantity, I suggest that you see with a professional. There are a lot of them. For example, in Fiverr, you can find some guys that can do trademark and copywriting verification for your products or for your idea in general. So to summarize, just don't sell something that you are not 100% sure that is not under a certain trademark. You have to do your verifications in all ways, especially, as I said, if you are going to buy the products in big quantities. Don't make these mistakes because it will take you a lot of time and money. Maybe time and money are not important for you, but sometimes the owner of that product will even sue you, and that is the worst case scenario. So this is it for this quick video. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section. Like the video, share it with someone who is trying to start an e-commerce business. If you are not subscribed, what you are waiting for? What are you waiting for? Please subscribe. You don't have to cry to make you subscribe. Please, go ahead. Peace. That's it. No coffee in the night. Although I think I will buy decaf, which means, even though I don't think, because for me coffee is, the placebo effect is more like than the caffeine itself. I know it won't work. I will not sleep if I drink decaf. Peace.